If you guys want to see how I installed this braid with wool, keep it locked. Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty. So today I'm doing a really short video on how I wrapped this wool into my hair. Now the reason it's a short video is because I already did a couple of videos on how to braid your own hair before. So if you want to see how to braid your hair, click the card right there. But this part of the video will just be on how to wrap this into your hair. So basically all you're gonna need is, I think I used like 3 packs of wool, and this is pre-used braids. This is the braids I had in this braid before, and it was like 2 packs of express hair. I cut it in 3 to do the install, and yeah, that's it. I braided the hair in. I did jumbo braids, and I have a video. I'm going to be posting a video shortly on my likes and dislikes about this hair. So yeah, I did it in jumbo braids. I sectioned my hair really big, and I used big plaits in the hair, and then I wrapped it with the wool. So the video you're going to be seeing is me wrapping the wool. If you want to see it, keep watching. So I've already pre-braided my hair, and I have a video on how I braid my hair in the thingy there, in the card right there. And now I'm going to be wrapping wool, so you're going to measure out the wool that you're going to use, and then you're going to, I folded it in 4 pieces, and now I'm going to start wrapping. So you wrap where is comfortable for you, right? So I'm going to place it at the bottom here and wrap it around. Now I'm not trying to lose my edges, so you know the drill. I'm not going to be wrapping it too tight. So because the braid was poking through, I pulled it up, push it up, and now I'm going to continue wrapping. Now when you're wrapping with a different color to your hair, you gotta make sure to be extra neat. Now I am not going to be wrapping the black hair extra neat just because, you know, I know how to wrap it neat to make it look good and stuff. I'll do that if I were doing someone's hair, but because it's my hair, I am not going to be wrapping it neat. So as you can see, it's 4 strands, and you're just wrapping around. Right, and then you push it up to make sure that all is being wrapped securely. Now I'm going to take the end of this because I don't want the hair so long, and I'm bending it up like this, right? And then I'm just going to continue wrapping around to make sure that I secure that part that I put up there. So when you get to the bottom, I'm going to take the single strand and I'm going to just go around with it to the bottom here like this, right? So yes, I know some part of it is going to be outside. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to twist it like this and then come around with it and create a knot. So you're just going to knot it. These knots. Alright, so yes, you have all this crazy stuff going on here. Let me just put them back here, wrap it up. Wrap it up together here and then knot it. So yes, you are going to have a little something showing there. You don't have to if you go all the way down and don't do it like how I did it, but that's how I wanted it. So it will be easier for me to cut out. And then when you're done, you're just going to burn it off with a lighter. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know it was a short video, but it's all good. You get the idea. I'll shoot another video like doing the full thing because this was a trial. This was like the first time I tried this one. So now that I know what to expect, I'll do it again and I will tweak it. So the next video you all are going to see next week is me talking about my likes and dislikes on this type of hairstyle and what you should do and what you should not do. Right guys? Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you all have ever done a style similar to this before and you have tips, tricks and likes and dislikes, drop it in the comment section so I will feature your comment in my coming up video, which will be next week. Yes, next week, you heard me. Right? So yeah guys, hit that thumbs up button just because today is the day I uploaded this video, and also subscribe if you want to see videos like this and so much more. Trini Mom Beauty is out. Bye guys.